Not all sites are flat. In fact, most sites, topography reigns as far as determining the actual shape and expense and earthwork and drainage of the site. So we give you the tools in PPS without spending extra costs or add-on modules to help you with design. So in this case, I could show ContourNet, which is a digital terrain model that came from the surveyor or civil engineer, and then that creates the contour line. So what I could do if I wanted to change the contour interval, I simply go into Site Preferences, and then I could go into contouring, and you can change anything that you want about the contour. You could have them on, you can have them active, and because it's a digital terrain model, you can use any interval you want, anytime you want. Or I could take and I want to see where the drainage is going. I could show slope shading. I could take and also go into, for example, in topography, those were flow arrows. What slope shading is let's say I have to avoid everything above say 12%. So I'm going to show above 12%, and then there's not very much of the site. You can see just this little area here, and I'll color code it in the percentages that show up. So that'll help you guide your design. Again, from before, if it's red, as the contours go from red to green, it's going from low to high. So you don't really have to read all the numbers and then concentrate on having to zoom up to figure out what the contour elevation is. And as we take and then look at the design and the patterns of where we came up with, for example, I'm going to activate the pavement, and you could then see that the pavement is using the topography in the design. And that again breaks away from CAD, where you have to add these extra cost add-ons, the extra cost complexity, and we really simplify things and lets you concentrate on designs that are going to be more sustainable for the city and much more profitable for the developer by moving less dirt and using the topography and harnessing that instead of fighting it. And that is also part of the design process, is that we teach you in the performance planning system, and that's why PPS, the S stands for system and not software, because you get a lot more than a software package.